Namaste and welcome everyone. The topic we are going to discuss today is how to write a formal letter. A letter is an important means of communication in both the workspaces as well as our personal lives. Letters can be categorized under two headings: informal letters and formal letters. Informal letters are personal letters written to parents, friends, relatives, and acquaintances. Informal letters need not follow any set pattern or adhere to any formality. Informal letters are conversational in nature. Now let's see the formal letters. Formal letters are business letters and official letters. Formal letters follow a certain pattern. They are strictly kept professional in nature and they directly address the issue concerned. These are some types of formal letter: cover letter, sales letter, acknowledgement letter, order letter, follow-up letter, letter of recommendation, inquiry letter, promotion letter, etc. Now let's see the steps one has to take before writing a letter, especially a formal letter. Point number 1. Do a SAP analysis. SAP analysis means subject, audience, and purpose analysis. Second point. Gather the information you need and do whatever additional research that is required to complete the letter. Point number 3. Make a simple outline of the points you need to cover in the order you want to present them in the letter. Let's see the components of a formal letter. First component is sender's address. The address and contact details of the sender are written here. The date is written below the sender's address after leaving a line. Then we have receiver's address. Address of the recipient is written here. Then we have salutation. This is the greeting to the reader. Then we have the subject of the letter, which should be brief and to the point. And then comes the body of the letter. The matter of the letter is written here. It is generally divided into 3 paragraphs: introduction, content, and conclusion. And then we have complimentary closing, which closes the letter. It's a word or a phrase like respectfully, faithfully, etc. Then we have the writer's signature, name, and the designation or title. Below it you can have enclosure notation if any supporting documents have been attached, copy notation, and postscript. Let's see the formats and styles of writing formal letter. Full block format and modified block format are widely used in writing formal letters. Let's see the full block format first. Full block format. In this format, all the components of the letter, heading, address, salutation, body, signature, identification, enclosures, etc., are aligned to the left. The first sentences of paragraphs are not indented in the full block format. Modified block format. In a modified block style letter, the heading, complimentary closing, the signature, and identification are aligned to the right, while address, salutation, the body, and enclosures are aligned to the left. The first sentences of the paragraphs in the letter are indented. in the modified block format. Full block format is more popular than the other formats. In this format, all the components of letter are aligned to the left margin of the page. All text is single-spaced with double spacing between the paragraphs. It has a neat and simple appearance and is preferred more than the other formats. Let's see some tips for better letter writing. First, present your best self. Yes, let your most pleasant personality shine through in your writing. Second point, write in a clear, conversational style. Keep it simple. A relaxed, conversational style adds clarity to your letter. Third point, be concise. Try and express your message in the fewest words possible. Avoid redundancies and repetitions. Fourth point, be consistent. Because inconsistencies in your writing may confuse the reader. Point number 5, use jargons sparingly. Avoid using technical terms unless it's essential. Point number 6, be specific. Include facts, figures, conclusions, and recommendations in your writing. Be specific with whatever information you provide. Point number 7, part your writing into short sections. Instead of writing long paragraphs, divide your writing into short sections and short paragraphs. Likewise, do not write long sentences. Short sentences are easier to grasp. Next point is, use active voice. When possible, use the active voice. That way, your writing will be more direct and your sentences will be more concise. So remember this, when possible, use the active voice. Point number 9, organize. Your letter should be properly organized. For this, you should create a rough outline before writing. The outline helps in dividing your letter into different sections and subsections, which help you organize your information. The last point, don't make it lengthy. Try and keep it to one page whenever possible. If you have more to say, you can have a second page or possibly a third. If it's more than that, you can split your letter into a shorter letter and another part, which can be a report or analysis, etc. attached to it. Thank you.